Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on German Motors and Engineering. Today we have a Ram 1500 here, and it's a lifted one. It's one of the biggest or highest lifted Rams that we did build until these days. And all these Rams have one problem. When you're lifting them, you can see more from all the structure below the car. And this one is lifted very much, so you have a very open view to this structure, and not only your view is open, it's open for everything that you are driving over. And when you're driving over a rock, it happens to me, myself, this rock may hit this front subframe structure and bend it, and you have to go to the workshop and get it and pull it back and change some parts, which can be expensive. So why not developing something like a skid plate? We have a small skid plate here which protects the front differential, and let's design a skid plate which protects this front subframe structure. And why not, when we are doing that, design it in a way that we can mount something like a Bull-Bar or a push bar, and maybe a police style push bar to that part, and make it adjustable and everything. So yeah, this is the idea for today. I will laser scan, or it's not a laser scanner, it's a 3D scanner which is working by light, but for the ones that take it very, very exact, let's scan that car into my computer and then design it and build it. So guys, last night I did design this thing, and this took too long to make a video from it, but this is the final result. And as you can see here, we have our part scan from the Ram. That's the Ram front, the light gray thing here, that's the front. I think you can see it very good. And I designed this part by two pieces. One is blue, the other one is in a darker color, so you can see that it's two different things. And the first thing is this skid plate, which we would like to use to cover the subframes, and it connects to the to those screws here, which come from the frame. It also connects to the two screws from the skid plate from the differential, and it connects to the big screws which fix the new subframe to the original mounting points of the lower control arms. And this banded sheet metal part here can be used to mount different things on it. You can mount your snowplow on it, for example, and my idea was to mount a police style push bar or bull bar on it, and this one can also slide to the front and to the back. Let me show you how that may look like in reality. So when you have an accident and you fix those screws with a certain torque, then this thing will be able to slide backwards. So even in countries where you have pedestrian safety regulations, it shouldn't be an issue to legalize that thing, because it can slide away when you are hitting a passenger. And we don't want to hurt anybody. This is why we will weld a metal band here around this sharp edge of that big metal part, and we will slide a rubber over it, and this makes it a very round and perfect solution, I think. We will now laser cut this thing. It will be CNC banded. We will weld all the parts together and powder coat it finally. Okay guys, that's the thing. you know that design from the 3D, from the CAD file that I did show you, and I think this fascinating thing in my job is that later on in reality these parts look like, or they fit like they did fit in the virtual world. That car is a real thing. We did scan it, so we brought it in the computer with little tiny differences of point something millimeters, and we designed a part which became reality. It was laser cut and CNC bended, and it's as exact as it is in the digital world. So we will now install both things. They will meet each other for the first time, and every time we are doing that, two parts connect to each other as if they had never been disconnected. That's the cool thing. It is like I said, laser cut, CNC bended, it's welded, it's sandblasted and powder coated. So that's the final product. When you order it, you will receive it like that. But now let's install it. And because it's a little bit heavy, or too heavy for me to install it and mount all the mounting points, let's search for somebody to help me. That's it. Fits in reality like it fits in 3D. So that's what I always say. It's cool. And I hope you like that style too. We installed that push bar right here. Should look a little bit like the police style push bars over there in the States. And our skid plate structure protects our subframes. Yeah. Pretty much, I think that's all I have to say for today. And if you have questions or any comments, let us know. Click the like button, and hope you enjoyed that video. See you next time. Thank you.